Good morning. Today I will be talking about Panopto Activity within the Moodle course. A side note before we started, you do not need to provision your course by adding the Panopto block before using Panopto Activity Picker. So let's get started. First, you want to log into Moodle using your NetID, username, and password. Then go to the course that you would like to add a Panopto Activities. On the top of your course, you will see the Turn Editing On button. Just click on that. And then choose the topic which you would like to add a Panopto Activity under. And click the Add Activity or Resource. Then within the Resource menu, look for the Panopto logo, which is this one. Click on it. And now, this is the editing screen for you to add a Panopto activity. So first, click on Select Content. This will take you to the Panopto library. So there are 3 different ways to add a Panopto activity to your course. The first one is choosing a Panopto video that's already been recorded. Let's say I pick this one and then just click Insert. Once you insert, the activity name will automatically be generated. You can edit this to anything you want. I will just name it Testing for now. And then you can also click on Show More to add a activity description and other different settings for the activity. Once you are done setting up, just click Save and return to course. And you will see that the activity is now added to your course. Another way to add a Panopto video is to upload a video that's already recorded and in your computer. You can drag the video into this box or click on it to open the file picker on your computer to pick the file. The last way is to record a new video. Within this selection, you can name your video anything. So I'll just name it Testing Recording. And then there are 2 ways to record. The first way is to use the browser. So just click on Launch Capture and it will bring up a new tab. Within this tab, you'll have a lot of different settings. The first one is audio, where you can choose which microphone you want to use. Second one, you can choose which camera you want to use to record. And then the last one will be which screen, windows, or tab you would like to share. Once you are done setting up, click on this red button to start recording. And once you finish recording, just click on the same button and you'll be done. And the file will be processed. You can close the windows. And once it's finished processing, you will see it here. And as you can see, the video is finished processing. You can click Insert. And then the name will be auto-generated. If you want to edit that, go ahead. If not, just edit the setting. And then click Save and return to the course. You can see it's appear on our course right here. And now for the last way to add a Panopto video is to record using the Panopto Windows application or Mac application. If you have not downloaded the application, please click the download button to download and install the application. If you already have the application, click Launch App and it will bring up the Panopto video recording application. Just hit recording, and once you're done, the video will automatically appear right here. And that is it. Thank you and have a great day.